Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 13 is integral under root 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, I is equal to integral under root 1 minus cos of 2x dx. Now here we use trigonometric formula that 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So by using this trigonometric formula, we get is equal to integral under root 2 sin square x into dx. This can be written as is equal to integral root 2 into sine of x dx. Here root 2 is a constant term, so we can take outside the integral sign. So the next step will be is equal to root 2 into integral sine x dx. So on further simplifying, we get is equal to root 2 into. Now integral of sine x is minus cos x plus c. And finally we get minus root 2 into cos x plus c. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.